Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
After the Indian Army walked into Goa on 19 December 61, State Bank walked behind. And I was present here as a student, and there was an officer called Gadre. I do not know if the bankers remember him, but he brought about seamless banking in Goa within 24 hours. Goa didn't feel the issue going on and rupee coming. Now that's part of Mr. P.G. Kaporkar's memoir, just like your memoir. And here, when we started banking at State Bank, and I've come to the crux of another matter. That time we wanted a bank, but they cashed our letter of credit and gave us rupees. We started the relationship in December, during the first time in the State Bank. Much later came in the RK government, and he said, I want this account. And my father said, no personal guarantee. He said, no personal guarantee. That was the time, so you brought up the subject of personal guarantee versus limited liability.
I'm a great believer that Indians have a problem for every solution. Now you give me the solution for a problem. What are the two quick things that you think should happen in Goa? And then we'll ask Puneet.
As much as it should happen, the rest of the country.
Forget the rest. What should happen here?
Autonomy.
There is absolutely no doubt about it that if the State Bank has survived in one form or another for the last 206 years, it could have not done if the value system was built. No organization in the world can survive if it does not have a solid value system. You may get short-term success, but if your value system is weak, sooner or later it will collapse. So that is the differentiating factor. And that is when somebody succeeds, then people don't clap. But at the same time, if we don't have entrepreneurs, we don't have businessmen, we don't have rich people, then who will drive the economy, who will create